Hey guys, I had some students that said they were not able or didn't know how to log into Wonder, so I wanted to touch base with you on how to do that. The first thing you need to do is go to the district homepage, click staff student links. You can click either Canvas PSL or Homebase apps. They're going to take you to the same spot. Uh, the kids know how to click the Canvas PSL and then choose staff student login, teacher student login, this button right here. This takes you to your Rapid Identity login. Um, if they've been getting on Canvas, they know how to log in here. Of course, I'm getting an error. When they log in, they use their student number as a username. The password is 348 capital W lowercase s f c s. That will log them into their Rapid Identity, which is what I call this page. Canvas, we click here, the red Canvas button to get on Canvas. If the students will click McGraw-Hill Education, that will take them to their Wonders book. When they get there, they just need to click second grade textbook, and there's a green to do button that they should be familiar with. It looks like a ship, and that's where they go to get their assignments for Wonders.